Is there a keyboard shortcut to close Windows from the Windows 7 taskbar window selector? If, for example, Windows Explorer is in the first position of the taskbar and there are multiple Explorer windows open, holding the Windows key and pressing 1 will cycle through the available windows and display an X on the top right of the selected item that can be clicked to close the window. Is there a keyboard shortcut to close the selected window while still keeping the window list around, moving to the next item?
Looks like no, at least, without using an external program like AutoHotkey. List of shortcut keys from Microsoft. I found article. Check this article. Maybe can help you. Here's the full list of Windows 7 keyboard shortcuts or accelerator hotkeys available on the operating system level and also for several built-in application programs in Windows 7. This URL. For keyboard lover, Microsoft has added several keyboard shortcuts, hotkeys, or keyboard accelerators to make navigation and usage of Windows 7, especially the new Windows arrow snapping feature, easier by using keyboard. This URL.
Steps. Windows key plus T. Left or right key to get to the correct app. Up/down arrow to get to the correct app instance. Context menu key, right of spacebar. C, for close.
There is not a keyboard shortcut to do exactly what you want. You might be able to get close to what you want with a combination of Alt plus Tab, holding Alt, tapping Tab, or with arrow enabled, the same thing with Win plus Tab. To close the active program, use Alt plus F4. To close just the active window of a program, use Control plus F4. I hope that helps.
How